Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also hardbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So here we have the third 922. I'm still waiting on capacitors for the other 922, and then the first one's already gone. So going through everything. So this customer had sent me two others in the past, so this is his third. He loves this. So he has three total. He has another house somewhere else. He has two QTHs, so he has two different setups, and he just loves this amp. Great amp. My favorite amp also. So he wants the 10 meter mod done. Wants all the other modifications done. Super clean. I'm going to check everything over. I'll check to make sure the plate current meter's okay. I'm going to check to make sure the filament transformer's okay before I proceed. Band switch looks okay. So I want to point something out. Look at this. Right up against, almost right up against. So remember, these are at ground potential, so it's almost touching the strap. So just bend that over. Okay, so I'm going to get to work, and I'll see you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we're back with the Tl-922. So, tested on 160, 80, 40, and 20. This is the band the customer wants to see it working on. So when I'm done doing this video, I'll check it on 15 and 10, and then I'll let it cool off and show the inside. Okay, so it's on the lower voltage setting. It's on operate. Grid current. Radio set on 20 meters. Audio, roughly 70 watts or so. Got the 2500 watt slug, and then that one just measuring the reflect between the radio and the amp, and it's flat. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Audio, hello. Just under a kilowatt right there. Audio, hello, hello. It's on PEP. Audio, hello, hello, hello. On RF. Audio, high voltage. Okay, so I'll put it on the higher voltage setting. The amp. Audio, hello, 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 hello. About a little over 1250 right there. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Tit, 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 tit. And it's working as it should. Okay, so I'll test the other two bands, then I'll let it cool off, and I'll show the inside. See you soon. So, cooled off. I'll show you everything I did. So this amp is wired for 240, so there's less voltage drop, so it required a hair less drive than the last one I did that was wired for 120. So I added the series glitch resistor. Did not need caps, they were in perfect condition. Zip tied the wiring. Added the meter protection diode. Everything's nice and clean in here. I added the strap right there. These are my mismatched test tubes, but the customer ordered a brand new set of Penta tubes. This had he had bought this from someone who had old iMac tubes, and they were gassy. So air variables are in like perfect condition. So yeah, I'll flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. I'm exhausted. I get up. I've been waking up at 4 a.m. and I get to work at 5. So. It's late in the day, and I'm going to explain this real quick. I'll post it, and then I'm going to relax. So the current time here is, what time is it? 5:04 p.m. Okay, so I grounded the grid per tube, so all three grid connections are connected directly to ground. So that's all set. Self-bias modifications. If you ever have a grid to filament short, you don't have to worry about taking out the winding on the filament transformer with the old forced bias setup. Added the strap over here to get rid of the instability issues. Did everything involved with the 10 meter modification. Changed the electrolytic cap over here. Cleaned the relay contacts over here with deoxygold. The TR relay deoxygold. Band switch with deoxygold. And input rotary switch with deoxygold. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com, also hardbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll have another one of these coming up once I get the caps for it. But thanks for watching, and have a great night. 73.